Hello there, how are you? My name is Njambi, and I want to show you how I started working online from the year 2017, back in the year 2017. So I started with affiliate marketing in 2017. Then I moved to freelancing. So I'm a freelance web designer. And most of these things I will talk about, I do them up to date. The other thing that I do is helping nonprofits set up their Google for nonprofit. The other thing that I do is flipping services. Okay, so I flip services. So I get a client who pay me like, let's say $500. Then I go to a platform where I'm going to buy that service for $100, and I keep the $400. The other thing that I do is helping people or guiding people import products from China through Alibaba. And the other thing that I do is helping people set up their YouTube channels, Facebook page, and a lot of other things like working with lecturers and helping them learn how to teach online. So as you can see here, it's my LinkedIn profile, and I sell my services through LinkedIn. But before we go to LinkedIn, let me show you where I started with affiliate marketing. That was back in 2017. You can see the first income I made was actually $664. So you can see even PayPal had held my money, but they later on released this $664 and they paid it to me. You can see your funds are available. They paid the $664. You can see this is a real account. This is my Gmail. This is not a screenshot. This is real time. You can see in the month of October, they paid me $510. You can see this is paypal.com. This is their email. This is legit. This is not something I'm making up. Now, you can see in the month of December in 2017, I was paid $882. Guys, this is real money. This is not fake. This is something that is genuine. Okay? So, one way that I started making money online was affiliate marketing. And this is why I created this program where I'll be teaching you every Thursday at 7:30 p.m. East African time. I will be giving you ideas on different ways you can make money online. Now let's go back to our LinkedIn account. Now, when you look at my LinkedIn account, I'm saying I'm a web designer, graphic designer, and a digital marketing specialist. Yes, I am a web designer. What you see here is a website that I designed. What you see here is a website that I designed, and I learned web design on YouTube. I learned graphic design on YouTube, and I learned content creation on YouTube. The only thing I'm certified for is actually digital marketing. But I hold a Bachelor's of Arts in Community Development, and I changed my career when I was 27, and that was back in 2017. Now you can see Discover Your Perfect Getaway and everything, and this is the beautiful website that I do. So I'm going to show you how to use the internet to learn new skills and how to use the internet to get customers for your small business, to sell your skills on the internet. This is me, this is my work. This is what? My work. Now, the other thing that I have done is this nursing school in the in the United States. This is a nursing school, a CNA college. I also did their website, and I learned all these things on YouTube. And I'm going to show you techniques on how to learn effectively on the internet so that you don't get distracted. So let's come back to my LinkedIn, and you will see my reviews because I use LinkedIn to get customers for my business. You can see I deal with B2B. B2B means business to business. I deal with other businesses. So if you are a travel company, you are a business. And me, Jane Jambi, I'm a business. So we are in B2B. Now the you will when you come here, you will see I have a 4.9 star review. All these people I have worked for. I have worked on their project, I have worked on their website. I use my LinkedIn to get my customers. And these are some of the things I will be teaching you. Now, the other thing that I do is helping nonprofit set up their Google for nonprofit. Google for nonprofit is a program that gives nonprofit $10,000 a month in ad grant. And so many nonprofits struggle with fundraising. They struggle with where to get funding to run their nonprofit. How do I know this? I have worked with nonprofits. I hold a BA in community development and sociology, and I understand what it takes to acquire grants for a nonprofit. But Google makes it so easy for them and gives them 120,000 USD in ad grant every year for them to correct donations online, for them to acquire volunteers online, and for them to acquire board members online. And you can take this Google for nonprofit and package yourself and start telling nonprofit, I'm going to set up your Google for nonprofit for as little as $100. Setting up Google for nonprofit can even take you just 1 hour. So you can help nonprofit set up this thing. And this is what I still do up to date. I help nonprofit set up this thing we call Google for nonprofit. The other thing that I do is flipping services. Now, what is flipping services? Flipping services is whereby you see, I come here on LinkedIn, I get customers who can pay services for like $500, or like this client who came paid me $1,000 for me to help them with Google Luca Studio, because I'm digital marketing. I help I help customers collect data on their website so that it can inform them in their digital marketing strategy. So I usually come here and I pay for like $200. So that's called flipping services. So you end up keeping like 80% or 70% or even 50%. So you don't get to do the work. So assuming you're working full time and you don't have the time to do, you can do flipping services. And there are so many things you can do online by flipping. Okay. The other thing that I have done online is actually buying products from Kamokonji. Like there was this time my mom came with pegs, these beautiful pegs, and she was buying a pack at 120 shillings from Kamokonji. And we started listing them on Jumia. If you come to my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel, and watch these videos, if you come to my YouTube channel and you come to videos, this is my YouTube channel, and you come to videos, you will be able to see something called this video where I talk about step-by-step guide on how to start selling on Jumia. I even show how we got our first order after 24 hours of approval by Jumia. Jumia gave us clients when we were selling pegs on Jumia, but we had to stop selling on Jumia because of some terms and conditions that we did not understand, and we ended up operating at a loss. Now, guys, please claim your spot today. Join this program. We will be going live every Thursday 7:30 p.m. East African time. We will be learning different ways on how you can monetize your skill. Okay? Different ways or ideas that can make you money online, and there are a ton of them on the internet. There are thousands and thousands of things you can do full time and on the side and generate so much income with the internet. Okay, all you have to do is take action. Without action, you will not see results. With consistency, you will you will you will never run out of clients. So make sure you come here and claim your spot. Make sure you come here, claim your spot, enter your name, your email address, and your phone number. Make sure you put your country code. Make sure the opportunity doesn't go away. Okay? Make sure you are not left behind. So guys, let me see you on Thursday. Let me see you every Thursday with me. On my YouTube channel, I'll be streaming live. Ask me questions about different ways you can generate revenue online, and I'm ready to guide you and tell me what you can do. So, thank you so much for your time and take care.